Hey guys, we're back from Cindy and Michael's Adventures, and we're just gonna be walking around to a park, right, Cindy?
Right. This is Oakmont Park, and we're taking a stroll with
Why'd you tell them that, Cindy? They could find us.
Fannie Mae.
Yes, Fannie Mae, the doggy. Look at that.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
I have a better view.
Could be some snakes down there.
Oh shoot, that'd be bad. Slithering snakes. So we're going to the park over here. It's pretty far walk, right, Cindy?
Right.
And also, pretty beautiful out here. Cindy!
What?
They need to get a photo of this.
What is it?
It's purple and beautiful.
What are you looking at?
That.
Oh, that's someone's sock.
That looks like a purse.
Well, why is it beautiful?
It's a beautiful purse.
It's trash.
Cindy!
What?
I see a red leaf.
That's trash too.
Okay, I'm finding all the trash. This is gross.
People have polluted nature.
No, they've littered.
Lift your feet up.
Nah. Oh,
I hear something.
that is creepy. Ah! Cindy! You spook. Cindy, you spooked me. Ah! Why'd you spook me? Well, that's creepy enough. Stop, Cindy. Don't you dare.
Don't we do what?
I will close my ears. I will stop this. That's creepy. Why are there so many fallen things?
Commentary, Michael. That's going to be a boring video.
Why? Well, Cindy, do you want to tell jokes?
No, we're out in nature. You just describe what you're seeing in nature. Well, you're seeing Fannie Mae go potty. That's a natural act.
Yep. These green leaves are beautiful. We will be arriving at our destination soon.
And look at the sun peeking through the trees up there.
That is absolutely beautiful. These guys are lucky because they just get to walk down here. Oh, look, a park. Oh, I'm going to go to the park today.
Think that's how they say it?
No. Well, actually, there's an absolutely beautiful house up there. Look at that. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. Ooh. You guys cannot see that because we don't want you to come kill us. There's a bench.
What's the bench say? Show them the bench.
No.
Why? It says Fort Worth. That's pretty cool.
But you're never
Proud
gonna.
of our city.
Yep. These leaves are dying. Caterpillars are probably eating them.
What
Coming
time-
beautiful
What
butterflies.
season of the year is it? Is it summer, spring, fall, or winter?
Fall.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, remember when we played baseball here?
Yeah.
Ew. This is like the plains, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. Also, that's a fact. Social studies, guys. You need to know your landforms, right, Cindy?
Right. What landform did you see?
Wait, is this plains?
So, yeah.
No, I don't think it's plains.
Well, it's not. Yeah, it's not quite plains.
Well, Cindy, do
What are
you?
the other landforms?
Mountains, valleys. Forgot. You know,
Almost plains, but it's a little hilly.
I think there's like a valley. Is it?
No.
And there is a fellow partner.
Lift your feet up.
Trees. Trees are beautiful.
Maybe we'll see some wildlife out here, like squirrels.
Yeah, hopefully I can catch it.
Fanny would love to see a squirrel.
Yeah, she
Yeah, get over here.
totally wouldn't kill a squirrel.
No, she would chase it and then it would go up a tree and she wouldn't know where it went.
Fanny's kind of
Don't say it.
Fanny's kind of smart.
Say it. Don't talk about my dog.
I mean the opposite of dumb.
She's in the Mensa Society.
I said the opposite of dumb. She's retired, like you will be
What?
soon. She's retired.
Retired? What do you mean retired?
She's retired from her dog life.
Oh, no, she's not.
Soon she will retire from.
Come here, Fanny.
Yeah, Fanny.
She's smelling everything.
Yep.
How long is that? You know, it's not going to load.
It's $5. It's five. Guys, I think this might be getting too long for us, so we will end the video
Yeah.
in a minute, and we will make part 2.
Bye.
And we will make part 2. There's spooky stuff in there.
We're coming into the sunshine.
There it is! Do. Okay, so I will get there in a bit, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. I guess we'll make a part 2 when we're walking back, right, Cindy?
Right.
Okay.
Right, Michael.
We are signing out.
Cindy and Michael's Adventures.
This is Cindy and Michael signing out. Wow!